Hey guys, and welcome. Thank you for tuning in to yet another video. Today I'm going to do a kind of a review on this while I'm also doing my hair. It did come with this part, and just so y'all know, yes, I'm a redhead. Yes, I can use a blow dryer on my hair. My hair is fine. So, okay. So what I'm gonna do is do one side without the other piece, and the other side I will do with this piece. So, and don't worry, y'all, I'm not gonna sit there and like run the video the whole time while I'm doing my hair, because it will take a minute. So, as you can tell, my hair is pretty wet right now. This is it's a Conair 1875. I wish I kept the box, but I didn't. And it's basically like any other hairdryer. High, off, and low, and then the cool button. I haven't done the other side yet, but usually, even the way I do it is the way I normally do it anyways. I normally do split my hair, because it like this, just because it makes it easier. Oh, sorry, I wonder if I couldn't find it, but it's working good. I love it. I put it on the high setting. Just because I do have a lot of hair. But I do stop and brush it out, and then like do it a couple times. I meant to put this stuff in before I started drying my hair. All this is it's Aussie hair insurance, leave-in conditioner, Reveal-isn't, oh, that's another language, with jojoba oil. So, see you guys in just a second. That actually didn't take too terribly long. I mean, my hair's still a little like wet, especially at the end, which is fine because I'm not quite yet done. But that's like, okay. Now I'm gonna start I'm going to use this piece. It does, and you just put it in. And I'll let you guys see in just a second. I will say it does kind of concentrate. Obviously, it forces the air to come out. It comes out a lot better or different. Well, obviously it comes out different. I feel like it comes out better with the piece on, but you know, I guess you don't have to use it, obviously. So didn't use it on this side, which I might just go through again when I'm completely done, and just to make sure, because like I said, my ends are still a little wet, so just a second, y'all. And I think the box did say that it helps with the frizziness. Like, I will say I have noticed, like, my hair hasn't been as all over the place. Like, I know my ends are still a little wet, but this is, like, I'll take doing my hair 30 minutes to 45 minutes with this over my hair taking forever to dry, like, all day. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Until next time, peace out, everybody.